Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is your boy Lethal Reaction. We are back with another video. You feel what I'm saying? Today we got Roddy Ricch, Ashton Martin Truck official music video. You feel what I'm saying? So, hey, look, man, we still on the grind. Don't get it fucked up. If you haven't already, subscribe. Let's get straight into the motherfucking video.
Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Make 500,000 every time you see me out. All the public with the grip, all the fans wanna take a pic. Niggas not on my level, why you mad? I fucked your bitch, had to say it, cause you talking. I ain't even tryna rub it in. I'm tryna make another 100 million, figure out how I'm gonna be my brothers in. Made Marnie poppin', we put Marnie on our jeans. Niggas on my dick, niggas watch my show, try to see my scene.
Hey!
I'm digging your bitch, I'm the heartbreak king. And you ain't back and bought another diamond ring. I'm about my money, I'm about my kick, I'm about my cream. I keep telling you niggas I'm in love with lean. Cross on my wrist, Elliot got me right. So I hate my color in. Can't fit in a tight Ashton Martin truck, Roddy Ricch.
Okay. So this is obviously a playlist ad. You feel what I'm saying? Like, so you know what I'm saying? Give me 1 second to do that because, like, golly, Roddy Ricch. Okay, Roddy Ricch is fucking spitting.
Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Make 500,000 every time you see me out. Ashton Martin truck, Roddy Ricch. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Make 500,000 every time you see me out. I pop my shit, she top a list, these niggas ain't stopping shit. I keep a chopstick, don't see no competition. I ride in G4, she off a G6. Stick to the street code, can't never tell shit. I had a 10 seats, riding in the Bentley coupe, okay. She was in the Bel Air crib, okay. Hit it in the bed again, okay. She was like, seen for me, okay. She seen a hit low key, okay. You wanna Vic OT, okay. You wanna be a real rich bitch, okay. She said she wanna live in LA, so I had to show her to see. She know I'm for real, she know I ain't kidding. She know I be hanging with killers. Had her hanging with me, throwing up seeds, looking like one of the members. I never did pay for the pussy, cause that was not on my agenda. Martin truck, Roddy tail out. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house.
No, it's right here for sure.
Had to Martin truck, Roddy tail out. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Make 500,000 every time you see me out.
Yeah, you put dick in your bitch. How about that? That's why you're so mad. Did you pour champagne on her? Did you give her a little bit or a lot of bit? I like that song, but I ain't know why I liked it. I really like it now.
Fuck niggas on, man. Okay.
You bitch you.
Hey, look, man. W video, W song, for real. You feel what I'm saying? Roddy Ricch making a comeback, no cap. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next video.